Hello everyone. Today we'll solve the new problem of isometric. So these two views are given. So obviously the upper view is front view and lower view is top view. Okay. So front view and top view is given. So first step is first you have to draw a horizontal line. Okay. Then mark the origin. Then draw a line inclined at 30 degree and from here inclined at 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. On a vertical axis always we will mark the height. So first we'll decide the um, position of a front view, top view and side view. Let's say this is the origin which is given in the problem, and see if this is the front view, then at the right side of origin there is a length. This is the length and this is the height, right? This is front view, so this is length, this is height. And in a top view this is length and this is width. So at the right side of origin there is a length, so at the right side of origin we'll mark the length. On a vertical always there is a height, and on this axis we'll mark the width. So here we'll mark the width. So first we'll mark the overall dimension of an object. So what is the overall length of an object? See, this is, so 25 plus 25 plus 25, so 75 is the total length. So first we'll mark that 75 mm distance. Okay, 75, and the height is 12 plus 25 means it is 37. So total height is 37. So I'll mark here 37, 37, and this is 75. Okay. So, and width, the total width is 50. The total width is 50. So now we'll draw the overall box and object. So here also we'll mark the height, which is 37. Right. From here also 37. Then to this length, from this corner we'll mark the length, which is 75. Okay. And the width is 50. So this is our overall box in which our object will be there. Okay. So now we'll start the problem. So see here, in a front view first we'll draw this shape. Okay. Now for this box, right, for this box in a front view, see, for this box in a front view the width is 50 mm, right? So for this box, the top view, which shape is visible? See, this outer shape is visible for this shape, right? This, for this shape, this box or this rectangular shape is visible in a top view. So first we'll draw this shape in a front view. So here we'll mark length and height. So this is the front side of an object, so we'll draw this shape here. Okay, now for this shape, this is 12 mm and this is 25. This is 12 mm and this is 25, right? 25. So from here mark the 12 mm distance, right? 12 mm. Then 70, this total is 75. From here also 12 mm, right? So we'll draw this line. From this side 25 mm, from this side 25 mm, and we'll draw this. Right, now for the middle portion, right? For the middle portion, here there is a slot, here there is a slot. For this and this, we'll draw these two rectangular shapes, but for the middle there is a, that middle slot is edges are nothing but the slot. So from here you have to draw this slot which is visible in a top view, right? And whose width is 12 mm. So from here 12 mm, right? Like now this 12 mm is parallel to the width axis, right? This 50. So you have to mark that 12 mm parallel to this width axis. So 12 mm this side parallel to width, 12 mm from this side, right? This is 25. This 25 distance is parallel to length, so we'll draw that 25 this line parallel to the length, right? Now these are the corners. So here this is if this is 12 mm, then from here also you have to draw one edge of 12 mm downward, 12 mm, right? Then this edge is visible. Now from this corner to parallel to the length you have to draw another edge, right? So this is the slot. Okay, then we'll now for this shape in a top view width is 50, so we have to draw a width to the every corner. Okay, so from here 50, from this corner also you have to draw a line of 50 mm, right? From here also you have to draw a line of 50 mm parallel to the width, then draw this line, right? 50 mm, 50 mm. So we completed this portion of an object, right? If you draw a 50 mm line from this corner also, but from this surface is visible. If we draw this, then that is a hidden portion, so will not show this hidden portion in a isometric view. So don't draw that line from here. That edge is there, but it is not visible in the isometric view. Now we have completed this portion, right? This all portion. Now we'll focus on this shape. Okay, now for this shape in a top view this rectangular surface is visible, and for this inclined surface you can see the projections, this surface is visible, this rectangular surface is visible. So first we'll draw for this. Okay, for this rectangular portion is visible. Now this rectangular portion starts from this corner, right? So we'll draw that shape. So it's this dimension is 25 and this dimension is 20, this dimension is 20, right? This is 20 and this is 25. So from this corner we'll mark that 20 mm distance, like 20 mm distance. Then this side 25, right? This is 25, it is parallel to this width, so this line should be parallel to width axis. So 25, again from here 20, this 20 is parallel to the length, so I'll draw that line parallel to the length, right? 25. So you'll get this shape here, but for this shape in a front view that height is 25, right? So from every corner of this rectangle we'll draw the line, right? 25 25, 25, and here also you have to draw a line 25. Okay, so here you'll get another rectangular, similar rectangular portion. Correct. So this surface is nothing but this surface. Clear? Now we'll draw this inclined surface. This inclined surface. Now this surface is this plane is non-isometric plane because it is not parallel to any of the axis. Okay, so let's mark it. So this surface starts from this edge, means from this edge. Okay, ends at this surface, means on this surface. Okay, so you can see here, right, this edge you have to extend so that you'll get this surface. So you have to extend this edge. This edge is nothing but this edge. So let's extend it. Okay, from this side this edge is at 20 mm. So from here we'll mark that 20 mm distance. So here, from here also we'll mark that 20 mm distance. So you'll get this edge, okay, which is parallel to the width axis, 50 mm width axis. So we'll mark this 50, 25. Okay, now you have to see this inclined surface start from this edge and it ends at this edge, right? So you have to join these 2 points to this 2 points, so you'll get that inclined surface. So we'll extend like this, and this edge. Okay, so you'll get this inclined surface. Okay, now see which portion should be dark. See, when you look this object from front side, then from left hand side, and from the top side, those part are visible. For only those parts only you have to draw a dark line, and for the remaining it is you have to use faint line. Okay, so it is depends on your imagination. Okay, so you just have to imagine that object. So draw the part which are visible in an isometric view. So these edges are visible, so those lines should be dark. Okay, this is a complete object. Now why this line is not visible? Because this surface is there and this edge is behind this surface, so it is not visible. Clear everyone? Similarly this edge is there but it is not visible because this object or this surfaces are in front of that edge, right? So that edge is not really, this edge is not visible. Don't rub it. For clear visibility, I just faint it. Okay, so this much portion is visible in isometric view. So let's mark its overall dimension. So that's overall dimension, this dimension is 75, this is 50 mm, this is 50, and you have to mark its total height. It's 50, oh sorry, 37. So this is your complete isometric view. Okay, thank you.